So let's do division. So let's say it's 3.21 times 10 to the 6 divided by, and we can put parentheses, divided by 2.21 times 10 to the third, right? So 10 over 6, 10 to the 6 and 10 to the third, the division. So when we take this number and put it up, 10 to the 6 times 10 to the minus 3, the sign changes, and 10 to the 6 minus 3 will give you 10 to the third power. Okay, so 3.21 divided by 2.21, which is 2.21 divided by 3.21, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to move the decimal place 1, 2, 1, 2. So it'll be here 2, 2, 1 divided by 3, 2, 1 with the decimal place right there, right? We could put another 0 here if we wanted to. 2, 2, 1 can fit easily here. 2, 2, 1. 1 times 2, 2, 1 gives you 2, 2, 1. Or 2, 2, 1 goes into that, right? We subtract. That gives you 0, 0, and 1. And then you drop the 0 here. And then 2, 2, 1. How many 2, 2, 1s go into that, right? 2, 2, 1, probably, what, 4 times. 4, 8, 8, 8, 8, 4. So 8, 8, 4, 4 times. And then borrow, borrow, borrow. 6. This is 9. That's a what? That's a 1, isn't it? Is that a 1? This is a 9. That's a 1. That's a 0. Right? 1, 1, 6. Right? And then what you can do is you can add another 0. Right? And 2, 2, 1 go. How many 2, 2, 1s can go into here? Probably. But let's add another 2, 2, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 0, 5, right? Gives you 55. Borrow. That's 5 times. And we can keep on going. We can add another 0 and keep going. So 1.45 times 10 to the third power. Let's see. So if we turn this on, we can erase that. Parentheses, put parentheses, 3.21, just in case. I don't think it needs it, but we'll do it anyway, to the 6th power. Close parentheses, divided by 2.21 to the power of 3. And yes, you could put parentheses in the bottom as well. Enter. 1.45 times 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 3. And you can see that there's 2 of these values that go into here, and that's why there would be a 2 here, 1.452, okay? And so it's the same thing, you know, what you learned in arithmetic, but you're going to have to deal with the exponential part. And of course, this is scientific notation. All right. Okay, let's do one more. 4.31 times 10 to the 4th divided by 8.34 times 10 to the minus 3. That's a 3, minus 3. So 10 to the 4th over 10 to the minus 3. This one, you move it up. 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 3rd gives you 10 to the 4 plus 3, 10 to the 7th. So this is 4.31 divided by 8.34. Oh boy. Okay, let's see if we can do it. 8.34 divided by 4.31. Move the decimal place over twice. 834 divided by 431. Decimal place here. We can put the 0 here. Okay. That goes up. So what? So, 834 won't go into these three. We're going to have to go through all these. So 834, let's say times 5. That's 20, 15, 16, 17, 41, right? 4170. So 4170. 5 times, because it lands right here. Okay. That's 0, borrow, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That leaves you with 4. This is 2, this is 1, that's 0. Right? 1, 4, 0. You can put another 0 here. 1400. That's going to be just one number, 834. 1. Borrow, 3, borrow, 9, borrow, 6, 6. That one's a 3. So borrow. So again, I have 13. This is 13 take away 8. Right? This is take away 2. 13 take away 8. So let's say I had 3 more fingers here. Drop the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 5. Or whatever way you want to do it. You can count up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You'll be like, that's easier. Yeah. So 0.51 times 10 to the 7th, right? Here. And we can put a 0 here if we want. Now, we need to move this so that it could be in the ones place. So, what do? If we're going to make this number bigger, we must make this number smaller. So 5.1 times 10 to the 6. Make this number bigger. We're going to have to make this number smaller. Okay, let's see. This time I'm not going to use parentheses. This should work out. 4.31 to the power of 4. It's good practice to put parentheses, but let's see. It should work out. Divided by 8.34 to the power of negative 3 equals 5.16 times 10 to the 6. 5.1. We didn't do the 6 because we didn't work out the next value. And that's something that you have to ask your teacher about. Okay. 5.16. And that's it. Okay. Times 10 to the 6, as you can see. Okay. So this is dividing and multiplying exponentials. I mean scientific notation, which has exponentials. If you like this video and you got something out of it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your teacher so that they can share it with the class. All right.